Well, it does not get any bigger than this, the World Cup final. That's what they're playing for. It's 1 and 2 in the world rankings. It's New Zealand against England. Coxridge wants to get it out there. Haven't seen New Zealand's backline in full flight yet, but here's Portia Woodman and she's unmarked. Portia Woodman, if this sits up for her, it does sit up. It's Winiata. Winiata for New Zealand, going for the corner. Salika Winiata scores the first try in the Rugby World Cup final.
Beautiful kick from Sabritsky Nafatali, but in the end it bounced fortuitously for this very quick fullback who came through and beat the cover defence over for a very good try with hardly any ball.
Initial shove by New Zealand. Now England steady themselves and forward they go. Controlled by Hunter, the captain. Still controlled by Hunter. This looks very good. It looks really good by England. Hunter picks off the base. It's a penalty try. The power from England, unstoppable. McLean, ball in behind, is an overlap on the right hand side. Burford spots a gap up the middle. Burford for England. Pass inside to Wilson, the dummy. Woodman did just enough to grab the ankle. Still there for England. Relentless attack. McLean on the outside. Thompson for England. Lydia Thompson in the corner. Another English try.
Ladies, I need you to stop hinging over
moving the ball into the open spaces. What they did there was pass a ball really deep behind the initial runners. That nullifies New Zealand's blitz defence. Burford got in behind them, and then Katie McLean to Lydia Thompson, and there is no, well, maybe one better finisher, no better finisher than Lydia Thompson.
Still there for them, the pass out the back door, over the line, are they down? They're going to go upstairs. New Zealand are convinced they've scored.
Tackle the spine.
Well, initially I thought a big mitt came out and popped that ball down, and there it is right there. It is a try to New Zealand.
Joy, you may award the try.
Thanks, Simon.
What a piece of skill, and the awareness Mel to finish with her head facing the wrong way. What a score. New Zealand hunting for another try. They go wide this time. Sabritsky Nafatali! Just short. No. Didn't back her strength. Then the offload. Natua! A second try for Natua. New Zealand in again. Still there on the base of the post. It should be a try. It is a try. New Zealand score again.
Have a look at Smith, saw the base, knows the rules, try.
For the little crossfield kick now, where's this going to bounce? Thompson well placed. Lydia Thompson around the outside. Thompson, foot race against Woodman. Thompson against Woodman. Who's going to win it? Thompson for England! Oh my word, what a score!
Really quick players could do nothing about it. She does so well, Thompson here. Shrugs off the tackle from work, and then Portia Woodman trailing in her wake, cannot get there. Coxridge cannot get there. What a piece of solo brilliance from her.
And on they go again. Natua looking for a hat-trick. Natua for a hat-trick! Incredible!
Here's a look at Natua.
There's no reason. You may award the try.
Thank you very much.
Try given. A hat-trick in a World Cup final. Coxage, a little snipe from our scrum half. Try given. Kendra Coxage is down and New Zealand stretch their lead. Another chance to go, driving the legs almost at the line. Is there anything England can do to stop this? There's an air of inevitability about it, the crossfield kick. Waiting for it. Chance to score, the pass on the outside to Williata.
One big massive hole, 3 black jerseys. Hohepa could have gone herself, but gave the wraparound to Williata, and the execution of the kick was what did it too.
It's a mountain and it's too much you feel for England to do. Can they get a try here though? Almost at the line, they're over, are they down? Neville has a look and says yes, England have a try. Is there a glimmer, a faint, faint glimmer of hope? England have fought, but they just didn't have enough, and New Zealand are World Cup champions in 2017.
What a game of rugby! What a World Cup final! What a dominant performance from that New Zealand pack in the second half.
An incredible game of rugby, a credit to both teams. Heartbreak for England, the defending champions beaten in the final. Well, New Zealand, what can you say? 100% record continues on the grandest stage of international rugby.
I'm so proud of the girls. We dug deep. Full credit to England. They really gave it to us in that first 15, 20 minutes. But our girls just today built our character in our team, our culture in our team, and I couldn't be any prouder. We said to the girls, you've got to really go into dark places and really fight for your families, and that's what they did today. There's a lot of girls playing rugby these days, and for these girls to be the role models for our future, I'm just amazed, and I'm so excited.
We gave it everything out there tonight, and all credit to New Zealand. I think we just lost the momentum, and they got it, they got on top, and we just couldn't seem to get our hands back on the ball, and when we did, we looked threatening, but yeah, we fought for everything, and unfortunately at the end of the day, the result got away from us.
Your women's rugby
New Zealand,
World Cup 2017
world champions for 2017. New Zealand.